Hey guys, this is an update on how to use Miss Gentry's biology course. So notice that when you log in today, there's an announcement up here, but there's also something to do. So all of these right here are going to be your announcements. So when you first come to Miss Gentry's site, you should click the announcement. The announcement will take you to this page, and on this page you can see what you're supposed to be doing. There'll be your agendas. For example, these are for distance learning days. So distance learners had a little bit different than the traditional learners because of that 2-hour delay here recently. But in these instances, I've actually embedded the modules. But let's say that Miss Gentry forgot. You can actually either go home or to modules. Let's go to modules first. So I've read what I'm supposed to learn today, and I've read the day's agenda. I'm going to go to modules. And then today is 11-4. So I'm going to go and find 11-4 in my module set. So here we're at the modules. Everything that's new will be at the bottom. So I just create it and it's here at the bottom. So here's 11-4. So there wasn't really a lesson because we're doing practice assignments based off of the lesson we had last Friday. So this was last Friday's lesson. So there was a quiz because it was Friday. Here's the lesson. Here's the assignment. So this is kind of like the lecture or the activity or whatever we're supposed to be doing and the assignment. And then here's a review and a summary. So these are just going to be games that really help with the quiz that will be coming up on those concepts. So then here is today's work right here. Now, how did I know this was last Friday's work? Because again, the date was here. Okay, that's one method on how to use Miss Gentry's Canvas course. Okay, now once you click something, okay, so let's say that on Friday we click the lesson, PowerPoints, I had games installed, right? I'm even prompting you there. You can watch a video. You can just keep clicking next. So next, oh, this is an assignment. So I know I'm going to have to complete something, and then I'll just keep going. So now I have a game to play that helps me solidify any misunderstandings I might have. So Quizlet and then quizzes. Okay, and for those you can just sign up as you are. I'm not having you guys log in as anything. I should be able to see what I need to see on my end. Okay, all right, but if you don't like going announcements and modules, you can always go announcement and then home. So here's your second option. You can go home, and when you're at home right now, we're in unit 5. So after we've read the announcement, we can go to unit 5, and instead of scrolling all the way down, I'm not moving my mouse, it popped me all the way down. So now I'm going to search for my date. So today is the 4th. Boom, there I am. So just a little less scrolling on that option. Okay, so that's what it's designed for. So let's go back home. All right, and at this point I want you to try to guess, like, okay, like what do I hit first? Oh, announcements, right? Announcements is what you hit. What's on the announcements? Your I can statement and your agenda, absolutely. And then where do you go? That was a trick one, right? Because you could either go home or modules, but either way, I'm going to be trying to find today's date, and that's today's date. Okay, where can I find this video? This video will be located here, okay, for either site. And I'm going to do a little bit of editing here, but this is where you can find this, okay? If you were going to assignments and just doing that, you are not going to be as successful because you're not getting the information. And I'm putting due dates now, but especially at the beginning, there wasn't anything. Of course, we were told not to, but that's okay. But the assignments, like, don't just go there, okay? Just go to the modules, work today's lesson, okay? All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me and or chat, team, whatever you need, and we'll try to get you to that success. Have a great one.